Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook Messenger sounds. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll find the menu button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a list of options. This menu is your gateway to all the customization features within Messenger, so it's the starting point for adjusting your sound settings. Once the menu opens up, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control various aspects of how Messenger behaves. The settings area is organized into different sections, making it easy to find exactly what you need to adjust. Now you'll see a section labeled Preferences. Within this section, locate and click on Notifications and Sounds. This is where Facebook Messenger stores all the settings related to alerts, sounds, and how you're notified about messages and activity. Clicking here will open up the detailed notification preferences that control your audio experience. After clicking, you'll be taken to the Notification Preferences section. Take a moment to scan through the options available here. You're looking for a specific toggle that controls the sounds you hear while using the app. This section gives you granular control over different types of audio notifications. You should now see an option labeled In-App Sounds with a toggle button right beside it. This toggle controls whether you hear sounds while actively using Messenger. Go ahead and click the toggle button to switch it off. Turning this off means you won't hear notification sounds while you're browsing through conversations or sending messages. Next, click on Customize Notifications to access even more detailed sound settings. This allows you to fine-tune exactly which sounds you want to hear and which you want to silence. After clicking, you'll see various notification categories, and you want to click on Sounds to proceed. Finally, you'll be presented with different sound options. Click on None to completely disable all Messenger sounds. Once you've selected None, click OK to confirm and save your changes. Your preferences will now be applied across all your Messenger activity. And that's it. You've successfully turned off all Facebook Messenger sounds, creating a quieter messaging experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.